Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to set up a Linux-based agent node in Jenkins, which will help you distribute your build loads and run jobs on different environments. Before we begin, make sure we have a running Jenkins master server, a Linux machine for the agent. In this demo, we will be using Rocky Linux 9, SSH access to your agent machine, sudo privileges on the agent machine. Alright, let's get started. First step is to prepare agent machine. In order to prepare the agent machine, first we must install Java. So we will be installing OpenJDK. I have already connected to my agent node, that is Rocky Linux 9.5. Okay, now install Java here. Run the command sudo dnf install java -21 -openjdk space -y. Hit enter. Once Java is installed, verify its version. Run the command java -version. Output confirms that we have installed OpenJDK 21. All right, let me clear the screen now. Next, generate the SSH keys for this DevOps user. For that, run the command ssh-keygen -t and then RSA, enter. Enter. This DevOps user's public key is stored under this file and private key is stored under this file. Go to SSH folder, cd.ssh, create authorize underscore keys file here using the touch command. Copy the content of public key in this file. For that, run the command cat view the content of your private key. We will be using this private key in Jenkins UI. Head back to the Jenkins GUI and try to add agent node there. Navigate to manage Jenkins. Click on nodes. Click on new node. Specify the node name here. Select the type as permanent and then click on create. Change this number of executor. So this number of executor is directly proportional to the number of cores available on your agent node. So in my case, I have 2 cores on my agent nodes. So I am setting as 2. So here 2 means 2 jobs simultaneously can execute on my agent node. Remote root directory. So this will be my DevOps users home directory. Labels. So label is just the name of your agent node. So I'm giving it as Linux. In the usage, select this use this node as much as possible. Under this launch method, select the second option, launch agent via SSH. Here specify the IP address of your agent node. Go back to your agent CLI again. Type the command hostname -i. Copy this IP address. Paste it here. We need to specify the credentials for this host. As of now, we have not configured any credentials. So click on add, select Jenkins, change that kind as SSH username with private key, ID, let's say Jenkins, username is DevOps. Now go back to your agent CLI again, copy the content of your private key, click on add, enter here private key, click on add, select the credentials, change this host key verification strategy, select non-verifying verification strategy, and leave other parameter as it is and click on save. As you can see, one more agent is added in the node section, that is Linux agent. You can click on this agent, go click on log. This output confirms that agent has been added successfully and it's connected and it's online. All right. Now go to the dashboard. In order to test the functionality of this Linux agent, what we will do, we will create a freestyle project and we will schedule that job on this agent. Click on plus new item, select freestyle project, give the name of your job as Linux agent job, click on OK. Choose this option, restrict where this project can run, and specify the label. So in my case, label of my agent node is Linux. Choose Linux here, go to build steps, select execute cell. Let's create a file using touch command. Click on save. Now run this job. Click on build now. Select this job. Go to the console output. You will see this job is built remotely on this Linux agent whose label is Linux under this workspace. The commands has been executed successfully. That's all from this video tutorial. I hope you have found it useful and informative. Feel free to post your queries and questions in below comment sections. Do not forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell for more DevOps tutorials. Thank you. Bye. See you in the next video.